Instead of paying 6.43 Avax tokens in buying your STA-Node keys, you only get to pay 6.1 Avax because you've watched this video. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is JohnFDong, and in this video, we're going to be talking about STA keys, or this StarMech node keys, and how do we possibly get these keys for a lowered price. Let's go and let's roll the intro. You actually heard it right that these keys are now worth 6.1 Avax instead of paying 6.43 Avax. Actually, you can also pay with Ethereum under Arbitrum. That's going to be 0.0735 instead of, let's wait for this, 0.0774. Yeah, you save a little bit of bucks, but if you're gonna be purchasing a lot, well, that's going to be saving a lot of bucks for your wallet. Now, before we purchase these keys, let's ask ourselves, what is this StarMech? StarMech, it's the first ERC 404 gaming on Avax, and it is backed by Avax Foundation, wherein it is also invested by Blizzard.fund and other big VCs. It is also the #1 gaming under Avax at the moment, and right now they are really redefining gaming experience on the Avalanche chain. Looking at these backers and partners, I can tell you guys that this project is going to be big. Right now, you're only going to be purchasing this with around $200, but who knows how much these node keys are going to be after several weeks or several months. And you also heard it right, they're the #1 game on the Avax platform, and right now they have this game called Frontier Gladiators. This is the gaming alliance within the StarMech, and there's a lot of rarities like common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, and the rarer the gladiator you own, the more exclusive rewards you will accumulate. Now, speaking of these rewards, you really want to maximize the rewards that you want to get from this project, and this is where the nodes come in. So run an STA-Node, embark on the amazing journey for node commanders to earn lucrative rewards. So this is the cutting edge technology as they talk, first era, second era, and third era. And it's also mentioned here what's the difference between the ERC721, ERC20, and ERC404. And we can see that ERC404 gives us all the check marks from fractionalization, NFT protocol interoperability, and lots more. Now let's get back to the STA-Node keys. Right now, again, you can purchase your one STA-Node key for a price of 6.1164 Avax, and that is equivalent to, that's around $216 at the moment. And again, guys, who knows how much this node is going to be after several weeks and several months. Now, what happens if you own an STA-Node key? Right now, as you can see in the screen, I have 3 STA-Node keys, but you can buy at least 1 STA key, as owning more keys results in greater accumulation of that and the STA tokens. Next thing is, your node will serve as a bridge to the STAVAX Omnichain, and also you're eligible for the rewards earning. You can farm these NDSTA and STA tokens automatically through the keys you have acquired. And lastly, more rewards for referrers. Yes, there is also a referral program under the STA keys. Okay, so JohnFDong, I'm interested. I want to buy these keys so that I can run a node on my PC. Is it possible? Yes, actually that's possible, and you can run this on Ubuntu and on Windows. For Ubuntu, they have these guide. Actually, this is a full guide on how you can run this. And by the way, this is the minimum hardware requirements. You only need to have 2 GB of RAM, 1 CPU core, 40 GB of disk space, 32 or 64-bit, doesn't matter, and a stable internet connection. You'll definitely need that in running a node. Now, I know running a node can get a little bit of technical, but don't worry guys, their guide covers everything you need to know, especially when you're running these nodes on Ubuntu, because in Windows, you just have to download the exe file, then you're good to go. You can just leave it on your PC, but if you want it to run, like if you're not running your PC 24 hours, you can use the VPS method. You can, convert your desktop into Ubuntu or install like a virtual machine on your computer and then run it under Ubuntu. Definitely you can do that. There's a lot of tutorials out there, and you can follow their guide through. Additionally, if you want to earn more, there's a referral program where you can refer your friends, refer your business friends. If you want them to buy the same keys that you bought, but you want them to kind of use your code or use your link, that's possible with the STA-Nodes here in StarMech. Just like what we tell you every time we do this kind of content, always do your own research. They have their white paper, everything that you need to know about their project is here, so be sure to read that thoroughly, and yep, before you decide. One thing that makes this more interesting and exciting is because of these meme coin under them, which is called Super Meow. So we've read through the tokenomics of this Super Meow token, and we can see that it has only 1 billion total token supply, and 40% of that will be allocated for the STA-Key owners. This is actually one of the reasons why you want to own these STA-Keys from StarMech. Apart from that, if you're like me that you want to earn passively even if you're not actively trading here in crypto, definitely you want to go with these node keys. And thanks to StarMech for providing these STA-Keys that we can actually buy for $200. Guys, I think this is one of those most cheapest keys that you can get right now, and the possibility of skyrocketing, yeah, I can see it maybe in the next few months. So if you want to buy these keys, definitely check the description below. I have the keys there. I have the link to the 5% discount. You definitely want to get that because I don't know when this is going to end. So yeah, take your time to mint your own STA keys so that, you know, we can be bullish on the next few months. Now, in purchasing an STA-Node key, all you need to do is to connect your wallet. On the top right, click on that connect wallet button. You have an option here, wallet connect or browser wallet. I recommend if you're using a desktop with browser wallet, you can connect your OKX wallet or your MetaMask. Actually, there's a lot of options, but most of the time, this is the two options that occur because these are the most wallets that I'm using. I'll go with MetaMask if I were you. And then, yeah, let's log in your MetaMask. So I'll be logging in my account here. And yeah, we just have to choose whichever of these networks we're going to be using. If you have Ethereum with the Arbitrum 1 network, go with that. But if you have Avax tokens, which is what I recommend right now, let's go for the Avalanche. And you just have to switch networks with your MetaMask. And there you go. You can simply confirm your purchase with the 5% discount using our link in the description. Again, guys, don't forget to use our link in the description if you want to get this 5% discount. This is really, really, really crucial if you want to avail that 5% discount in your purchase of the STA-Node keys. Again, you can purchase a lot of keys with 5% discount. No problems at all. This is not just exclusive for your first purchase. You can use this on how many purchases you have, okay? If you plan to purchase a lot, then definitely you can do that. If you want to purchase one, well, it's completely up to you. One is enough. But what I recommend is that you get like 3 to 5 node keys. I got 3 for myself and I got 3 for my girlfriend. That's enough for now. And I'll let you know, guys, in the next updates so that you guys will have also a progress on my node keys. And also, if you don't want to miss this again, guys, I do recommend that you get yours, but also do your own research upon purchasing, upon getting into this project. And yep, that's it for now. Again, this is one of those node keys that you can avail for a cheap price. Again, $200. That's cheaper than those other node keys available on the internet right now. This is something that you should consider. Again, the next few weeks, the next few months, I think this is going to be skyrocketing. But for now, yeah, let's, you know, get the opportunity. Let's abuse this. Like 5% discount, guys. You're not going to get this on the other keys or on the other nodes, so definitely you don't really want to miss this. Now, if you guys find this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and also let me know your thoughts down there in the comment section about this key. And yep, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this video to your friend, especially those friends of yours that are into finance, that are into cryptocurrency. They might really want to see this, as again, $200 is cheap for a node key. And by the way, before we end, you can follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I'm also active on those social media platforms, so follow me there and I'll follow you back. And yeah, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can click on any of those videos below and this will redirect you to my other videos. See you on the next one.